Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you a 1984 Scamp, and the owner is here with me, but she's camera shy, so she's just going to talk next to me and explain everything that was done, and she's done a great job on this, so we're going to go inside and check it out. First of all, she's got this cute little mat down here, and this couch. It's very roomy. It's a 16-foot Scamp. Christy, tell me how long it took you to remodel this?
We've been working on this for probably about 8 months to a year. We completely removed the floor, the subflooring. It was rotted. It had a lot of water damage. So we removed the flooring. We've repainted the walls. We repainted all the fiberglass countertops, new flooring.
Were the countertops in this good a shape and you just needed to paint them?
Yes.
Okay.
We just repainted those. And I removed the pinstriping and just painted over those. We sanded the oven top here that was all rusted, and so we sanded that and repainted it, and the refrigerator didn't work, so we pulled that out, put a new one in.
I love that fridge.
Yeah.
And that's electric only?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
All the hardware, I removed that and just painted it a black. It was cream and gold. So we painted all the hardware in here. And
even the soap pump matches. Now, is this a deluxe?
No.
Or did they all have these wooden doors?
They all have the wooden doors. I think the deluxes have the oak.
Okay. I knew something was different about the deluxe.
I think they have the oak cabinets.
You actually have a lot of storage in here.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad.
And then they have a bathroom, so we're going to show you the bathroom over here. So this is the couch, which goes back beyond the bathroom. So for sleeping, that's a lot of room.
Yeah.
So did it used to have a bunk that sits on there?
It does. We still have it. We don't use it, so we pulled it out.
So over here is the bathroom. I'm going to show you this. So she has a porta potty in here, but they're not all quite finished this yet, but it will have a working shower. They just haven't finished all the plumbing yet. But this is so nice, and it smells new. Is that a composting toilet or a cassette toilet?
It's just not a composting. It's just a regular
cassette toilet. All right. Yeah. Thank you for showing us. You did a great job on it.
Thank you.
Gives me inspiration in case I ever want to go to a larger camper. Now, this is called an escape hatch up here?
Yes.
So if there was a fire or something, you could actually climb out.
The whole thing will just pop forward.
Releases.
And you push the whole thing up.
Oh, okay.
And then you have your little...
Where it works is just a regular vent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I repainted all that too because it was like yellow. And this unit right here was yellow. It's just so old, and from the age it was yellow, so I repainted all that.
Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to show you some shots outside, and then I'll do some still shots. Make sure you hit the thumbs up for this one. She did a great job. Got breakfast going here.
Yeah, my husband done
He's got the spare tire.
Camper, he redid. There was a lot of damage on the frame, so he had to do a lot of welding before we put the flooring back in. So he did all the welding, and he repainted the whole frame work because it was rusted.
So it was safe to tow after you were done with it?
Yes.
Okay.
He's replaced snap caps all on this side, front, and we still got the other side left. We're still working on it.
And they have an electric company, so you can check them out. There's the website. All right. I'm going to walk around and then do some still shots. Thanks. Here's the other side. So there's the fridge vent. An air conditioner up top. Nicely done camper. Lots of work put in that one. See you on the next video, everybody. Bye.